Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm very excited for our episode for today because this is an annual tradition. I will be sharing to you 25 most affordable Louis Vuitton monogram bags 2023 edition. Yes guys, so I believe I've shared this list last year. So I'm happy to report and compiled everything for you because it is actually nice to have this cheat sheet because honestly, when I started my Louis Vuitton collection, when I purchased my first bag at the boutique, I have no idea what other bags that I could choose for myself. So guys, hopefully all the information that I will be sharing to you would be very helpful. Good news is I'm going to link everything on the description box below, prices, product code, and links so you can shop with me for today. So hope you enjoy and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetar and Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premierfi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, all prices are in USD via LouisVuitton.com and are before taxes. Prices are updated as of January 15, 2023. Happy shopping guys! So guys, these are special mention monogram bags from LV because they're just over our price point of $2,000 US. First one, we have this very beautiful Carry It bag for $2,030 US. I think this is a good alternative to the very popular Neverfull bag. Another special mention bag for $2,030 US is this very beautiful NEONOE good size, a classic style of Louis Vuitton. I love that it comes in the classic monogram with the black leather detail. Definitely, I would want to add this to my wish list. The final mention bag is the Speedy Bandoulière 20, price is $2,030 US. This one guys, definitely I'm adding to my wish list, the classic Speedy but in the size 20. So comes with the pochette and it comes with the very beautiful guitar strap. So let us start officially our list here at top 25. This classic bag, the NEONOE, price is $1,960 US, as you are going to see here. Very good size bag, definitely a good everyday bag, classic monogram with the pochette trim details. This one definitely my crush, ALMA PM, price is $1,960 US at top 24. This one guys, I so love this bag and I believe the May Ebin version is also of the same price. Definitely check on my wish list. Another classic style of LV, we have the Speedy Bandoulière in size 35. Price is $1,960 US. So very popular bag, definitely a good everyday bag. Comes with a top handle and a detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. Top 22 Nano Bucket, prices $1,900 USD. So this is the re-edition of a vintage bag from LV. So this one, I love it. I was able to try this one at our Louis Vuitton boutique and definitely it's a good size. Plus it comes with the key pouch. Next at 21, we have the very controversial Micro Métis, priced at $1,900 USD. So if you are a fan of the Pochette Métis plus you are a fan of the micro version, then definitely this is the bag that you need to add to your collection. Top 20 Graceful price is $1,890 USD. Good size for an everyday bag, and I am predicting this is going to be one of the popular bags of LV for 2023 because the hobo bags are now in style. Another Louis Vuitton classic at top 19, price at $1,890 US, is the Speedy Bandoulière in size 30 centimeters across. Very good everyday bag. Again, I love the adjustable and detachable shoulder strap. top 18, the Petite Sac Plat, price at $1,830 US. So I have this one in my collection. So if you're a fan of a micro bag, good thing about this, it fits a phone plus maybe a card holder. So definitely you would want to add this to your collection. At top 17, another classic Louis Vuitton bag is the Speedy Bandoulière 25. So this is the most popular in the Speedy Bandoulière version. Price is only $1,820 US. Definitely, I would want to try this on our Louis Vuitton boutique and maybe add it to my wish list. Top 16, padlock on strap, price is $1,770 US. So again, if you are a fan of a mini bag that you could carry maybe for an evening event or a dinner, then definitely this could be a perfect size bag for you. The very beautiful graceful PM at number 15. Guys, look, it's only $1,760 US. Then definitely you could add this very beautiful bag to your collection. A good size bag, and I love that it comes with a tag as well. At number 14, Nano Noe, price is $1,760 US. This one, it was just released last year and it's very popular. I haven't seen this one in store, but definitely this looks cute with the detachable top handle. OMG, at number 13, my forever crush ALMA BB in classic monogram. Look, you could own this one for only $1,760 US. I believe it's the same price with the May Bing version. Super beautiful bag, definitely could fit a lot of your everyday needs. Another favorite at number 12 is the Nano Speedy. Price is only $1,760 US. So this is the second re-edition of the Nano Speedy. Now this version comes with the fully detachable shoulder strap, a little bit smaller compared to the recent release. At number 11, Felicie Strap and Go, same price, $1,760 US. So this is a different version of the Felicie pochette. So this one doesn't come with the insert, but it comes with that teeny cute pouch that you could wear like this with the guitar strap. At number 10, we have toiletry pouch on chain. Price is $1,760 US. So if you love the toiletry pouch and miss it, then definitely you may want to take a look at this one. So it now comes with a chain and it comes with the toiletry pouch size 15 as well. At number 9, guys, we have the Petite Noe. Price is $1,690 US. Again, another classic from Louis Vuitton. A good size bag for your everyday need. I love that you could carry this one as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody. Still from the Noe family, at number 8, we have Noe BB for $1,620 US. Next, at number 7, we have the Speedy 35. Price is $1,620 US. Another Louis Vuitton classic and another Louis Vuitton favorite. But this one, the difference from the bandolier version, guys, please take note, this doesn't come with a shoulder strap. At number 6, same at the Speedy family, Speedy 30, price is $1,550 US. So this is 5 centimeters smaller than the Speedy 30. Alright, at number 5, we have the Speedy 25. I believe this is the most loved at the Speedy family. Price only at $1,490 US. Just look at the size. I would want to check this one out as well. If this would work for me, then definitely check on my wish list. At number 4, we have the Felicie pochette, price only at $1,490 US. So this one, guys, a very good evening bag. It comes with this bag and it comes with 2 inserts. Number 3, we have the double zip pochette only at $1,420. This one, guys, yes, it's just a pochette, but definitely could fit all the essentials that you need because it comes with 2 zip pochettes stitched together, as you could see here. Very beautiful, and definitely could wear it all the time. At number 2, we have Fold Me pouch for $1,290. So again, if you're a fan of the micro bag, then definitely this could be a good option for you. Comes with a detachable shoulder strap, and definitely I feel you could put your phones inside. And at number 1, guys, pochette accessoire for $1,290. A little bit controversial because of the very big jump of price increase, but guys, this is a very beautiful bag. If you want to get this one, I would recommend get it now before you get hit with another price increase. There, did you enjoy our episode for today, guys? Hopefully you did. Please, guys, let me know on the comment section below which one are you adding to your wishes this 2023. I'm so excited, and hopefully I was able to share very valuable information to all the Louis Vuitton lovers out there. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Premiere52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you, guys, for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!